Hello everyone. Today I want to introduce with you the Pilot S3 within the S series. Actually, I tried to do a voiceover video today because I'm lazy and doing subtitle takes more time. So let's have a look at this boy. It said S325, but actually later they named it S3, belong to S series, which I happen to have also another member S20 here. So this S3, this S20. We have also S5 and S10, but I don't have it here to show you. And S3 have it all. The design is just look very similar except for the lettering indicator. S3 doesn't have lettering indicator. However, I think it's not critical for me to have lettering indicator because some lettering indicator only come with several lettering, which is not enough, and why bother to buy a 25 $30, $45 pencil just for a LED indicator. Anyway, this S3 come in very size, coming from 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.7 and 0.9 millimeter, and then it come in lots of color. I have here a turquoise, Shane Barron turquoise, which is my favorite color. Let's have a look at it. Very sleek design. We have a 4mm sleeve, a fixed sleeve, which is a must-have for a writing pencil. We have a conical concept tip and a very long grip area. Is actually 5mm. Yeah, 5mm probably. So I love that because when I write, of course the grip is there for me to hold, and even if I wrap or roll it, I hold the pencil like that, I still can hold the grip area like this. And if I used to write, one thing that I like about that is if I rotate the pencil to keep the nib like sharpened, the clip here doesn't hit my hand, so it's perfect. And like talking about the cap, nothing special about this. We have tiny cap, we have I think this aluminum, and then we have tiny eraser with a cleaning pin, which is very useful because not many pencils today have this feature anymore. This one simply plastic. Let's have a look at the mechanism. We have here a brass clutch, nice, and then this is a metal one, I think aluminum. Then click it. You hear that? Amazing click. And it's very sturdy. You cannot hear any wobbling sound. Nothing. Very sturdy. Another feature that I really love about Pilot that is the quality of the LED. It may not come up with the strongest LEDs you have on the market like Pantone or Mitsubishi Uni. No, but it comes with the smoothest dark LED you ever have. And when I try it, I love it because I just like dark smooth LED rather than hard LED. So let's try to write something. Pilot S3 and the length is 14.5 centimeter. It weighs like 11 gram, which is very similar to Pantene Orange, very compatible. This one also 11 gram, and it comes with a slimmer body. Quite Pilot come with a bit thicker, what I love, because I find myself rather regularly come back to Pilot 3 more than the Pantene Orange. So thank you for your time. See you later.